Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. It's 2 a.m. and we started from Pune towards our hike to Nanemachi Waterfall, and this is going to be one adventurous trip. रात के 2 बजे प्लान ट्रैक का पर रुक गए ढाबे पर क्योंकि किसी को चाहिए चाय, किसी को चाइनीज। अपने को तो बस कंटेंट बनाना। कैसन बा? सब बढ़िया बा बाबू। कैमरा रोल हो रहा है, बैकग्राउंड में सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक बज रहा है, सब कुछ शांत है, परफेक्ट फ्रेम, परफेक्ट वाइब। और तभी आती है एक हीरोइक एंट्री, लाइट्स, कैमरा और so this is the breakfast with the view. This is the base village. From here we are going to start the hike. We rested in the village for the night for at least 2 to 3 hours because we started very late from Pune. As you can already see that the views are really amazing. It's all green, wet and looks so nice. The sound of the water as well as the birds, that's what you can hear, and it's amazing. We stayed in the local village and my friend here Sushant, he is the one who has organized everything here. He knows the local people and the food and the stay. It's really nice. It's not that comfy, but I must say that getting everything in a village is really amazing. नमस्कार सरदार। So this is the place in the village where we stayed for the night. At a distance of 10 minutes there is another waterfall which is called as Satsada Waterfall, and I am going hanging like this, having some fun. भाई मुझे भी दे दो, मैं कोई पाप नहीं किया।
नहीं इसको
भाई मेरे तरफ से पलट गए। After the beautiful trek, we had some amazing chicken, rice and roti, and now we will be heading back to home. Guys, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.